Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Coach unboxing, and this was a part of the good old sale, y'all. As you know, on the Coach website, you have to periodically check it because they'll add things at any time, as well as different colors. And this is from the, let's see if you can figure out when you see it. If it's from Coach.com or Coach Outlet. Let me move my little slip there. Can you tell yet? Probably so by the wrapping. So y'all, this was on the Coach Outlet website. I had to think, even though I already knew. This is on the Coach website, and one of those randomly placed. It doesn't have the name there, but that is the color of it. So I had to do some research to find out how old it was. Oh, it's closed. I thought it was open, just a big bag. So I believe this was released a few years ago, according to the video I found. But this was on the Coach Outlet, but it was a retail item that they had. And this is another big one, so I hope I can get it all in the shot. Okay, y'all, so I think I got it fully in the shot. But I was saying that the videos that I found for this, and just to tell you what it is before I keep going on and on, this is a Coach Metropolitan tote. I hope that is the correct full name for it. And this is actually from the men's side. So the video that came up, it was of men reviewing the bag. So I believe it's considered more, with it being for males, well, released on the men's side. Looked more as so like a briefcase for like a work bag. But when I looked at it as like a travel bag, or just to carry it as a tote myself. So the inside, ooh, it has like the brushed suede, which is probably microfiber. Does have a section here for looks like your laptop, and I believe these are care instructions. Yeah, it doesn't have, yeah, I guess that's the code for Metro tote right there. So the retail of this is showing, $650 for this tote. If I recall, with the sale, it was I can't remember exactly, y'all. It was between $100 and $200, if not closer to $150. I really can't remember the exact amount, but it wasn't $650. So I'm just kind of figured, like, more than likely this was probably like a return or something. Especially since I see the strap, it's a web strap and it's not wrapped or anything, but it is this beautiful chocolate color as well. You can see the strap, the hardware. Does have Coach there. Beautiful brass hardware. I'm liking it. So I showed you that pocket where you can put like your whole laptop or tablet there. a zipper pocket, the Coach patch. That's on the back. And then the front, it has a section there for like your pen, and then 2 pockets on each side. But just a close-up of this material, it looks suede, but it is more like a like probably like microfiber or brush fiber or something like that, but it looks like brush suede to me. But very good size tote. It also has an interior zipper here, so let's see how deep this goes. So that goes down to here, so midway to the bag almost. So that's a nice feature. You can easily put your phone in there or whatever you don't want to have to dig all the way off into the bag to get, and you actually can put something in here. The leather is kind of keeping me from closing the zipper as easy. I haven't seen that feature before on a tote to where you can actually close it, keep it closed, and still have a hidden zipper here on the inside to where you can get to whatever item you have in here pretty quickly. So let's look over the exterior. Oh, the zipper is tight. I'm really putting some effort into trying to close it, so maybe it's gonna take some practice. Once it gets past this little point right here, it makes it harder to open. So that is a firm zipper, but let me put some stuffing back in it, and guess I could attach the strap as well and get a good look at the outside, because we did not do a full inspection to see if I can see why this was so low. When I saw the price, I'm like, is that right? But that's what I was charged for, and it showed up. So have any other stuffing hanging around here? That'll help some. So that zipper zips up with no problem. Okay. Looks like I missed a compartment. So this also has a little magnetic closure here. So in addition to this zipper here, there's a whole nother compartment here, which I didn't even see. And this goes almost all the way to the bottom. It stops right here. So this was very well put together for this to be a men's tote. I'm really liking it, and it is glove tan leather. Here's a close-up of the 1941 hang tag. Excuse me. Okay, so let's look at the handles. I'm not sure why it has these dents and creases in the glaze. That's weird. If you all can see that. I don't know what they would have pressed that on. I don't like that, even though you can't see it really, but when I drop my handle back, that doesn't look too bad, but you can see it from an angle. Can y'all see those? Look like little bite marks in the in the glaze. Okay, but let's look at the leather. I believe that's like some little, I think that'll rub off. That looks like little glue. And I love the color and how it has, I believe it's called burnishing, where they kind of like the edges of certain parts of it looks darker than the rest of the leather. Very soft. It does say genuine glove tan leather here. The corners look good. It may be a little bump or scratch there. But all in all, y'all, this is a good bag. For it to be originally $6.50 and it come down to under $200. See a couple of little scratches here, so it's possible it was carried. I don't know. But I think this is a the shoulder drop I'm not too sure about. I don't think that'll fit on my shoulder or my arm. But let me go ahead and attach the strap. And if you all have made it this far and you believe that you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. I didn't see this. Let's see. I may have to try some conditioner on that. I can't tell if that's a spot or something in the leather. At least it's on the back. I mean, with this bag, either side could be the front or the back. I could easily move the 1941 to either side. But I'm going to say that this was more than likely a return. And it made its way here. I believe that's what the retail side on the Coach outlet is for retail returns. Because, of course, as you see, it did not have a dust bag with it. And that was a very, very discounted price for it as well. So, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment and let me know if you've seen the Metropolitan tote before. If you have a Metropolitan tote, whether you are a male or female, I believe it is a great tote to have. And I would probably say it's a unisex bag. I don't think it really matters. I've actually kind of compared, and it seems like some of the bags, especially backpacks for the men's line, it is made much more sturdier and sometimes better than the women's totes are, in my opinion. So, y'all, that's it. That is the unboxing and full inspection of the Coach Metropolitan tote in the color saddle. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So, I look forward to reading you all's comments. Again, thank you so much for watching. As always, you all have a very, very wonderful day.